Hey guys, Joey here. So I had one of our subscribers ask about the distribution panel for the 12 volt DC side on the World Friendship Company converters. So this one here fits 8935, the 45 amp and the 55 PCB. It's a 11 position fuse panel for the 12 volt DC. It comes with the fuses. I'll post a link down in the description below, but that way, in case if you're looking for one, you guys will know where to look. When you change your converter and you still have a problem, sometimes I'll find that if you just like press on these boards kind of with your hand where the fuse is, it'll make the lights like dim up and down. Like I saw one where like it was failing like in the back here. But you gotta be careful. You wanna unhook your batteries, unhook the 120 volts DC before you do anything. See if I can go ahead and pull it out of the package for you guys. Only got one hand here. The other one's busy holding the camera. So we're gonna try to use two hands. Well, probably just ruined this one. There it is. 11 position 12 volt DC converter distribution panel board for a World Friendship Company power converter. So I'll post a link down in the description and you guys can pick one up if you need one. If you have any questions, comment below. Sometimes it's just this 40 amp fuse that needs to be replaced if you're having an issue. If it keeps blowing that fuse, you got a direct short somewhere. So definitely don't just keep replacing it or increasing the amp size. So definitely never go over 40 amps, guys. Until the next time, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.